Hi everyone! Today, we're tackling a tricky but important task. We'll learn how to identify a transfer case when the identification tag is missing. It can be frustrating, but don't worry. I'll show you some key visual clues and techniques to help you figure out what you have. Identifying a transfer case without a tag might seem impossible. But with a little detective work, you can narrow it down and hopefully identify it. Let's dive in. First, consider the vehicle it came from. Knowing the make, model, and year of the vehicle can narrow down the possibilities. For example, if the transfer case came from a 2005 Jeep Wrangler, that eliminates transfer cases used in Ford trucks. Next, look for the input shaft. The input shaft is where the transmission connects to the transfer case. Note the spline count and diameter of the input shaft. This is a critical measurement for identification. Different transfer cases use different input shaft configurations. Then, carefully examine the bolt patterns. Transfer cases bolt to the transmission. The bolt pattern is unique to each transmission and transfer case combination. Count the number of bolts and measure the distance between them. Look for any markings on the case itself. Sometimes, manufacturers cast part numbers or logos directly into the case. These markings might be faint or partially obscured by dirt. Use a wire brush and cleaner to reveal hidden markings. Pay close attention to the shape and design of the transfer case housing. Look for distinct features like ribs, bumps, or cooling fins. Compare these features to online images of known transfer cases. Compare the number of speeds, such as 2-speed or single-speed. 2-speed transfer cases will have a low range. Single-speed transfer cases won't. Check the shift lever mechanism. Observe whether it is cable-operated or rod-operated. Cable-operated are more rare in older vehicles. It can also be a clue to identify a transfer case. Check the output shafts. Notice the type of yoke or flange used on the front and rear output shafts. Some use slip yokes. Others use fixed flanges. These differences can help distinguish between different models. If possible, consult a transfer case identification guide. These guides often have detailed pictures and specifications for various transfer cases. The internet is a great resource. Finally, consider the transfer case mode of operation. Some use electronic shift motors. Others use manual levers. The shift mode is a helpful indicator. Also, if there is an electrical connector, that means it is a shift motor. Determining the exact transfer case can be challenging. However, by carefully examining these clues, you can narrow down the possibilities and hopefully find a match. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you learn how to identify a transfer case without a tag. If you found this information useful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful automotive tips and tricks. Also leave any questions in the comments below.